Good day, this is Beeline News Worldwide. I'm Leaf Byron D. Corpus.
I am Crystal Faith Bulawin.
Time check, it's already 9:45 a.m. of September 20, 2020.
Brought to you by Flat Glass Industry. Straight from the horse mouth, bringing you on the eyes on the news.
Tempered and laminated glass, a ceramic product. Today, we will be talking about tempered and laminated glasses. We will be focusing on the difference in terms of processes and engineering application.
In overview, we have history, connection to ceramics, materials and methods, how glass manufacturing here in the Philippines. A little bit touch of history, highlights in connection to ceramics. Why is it connected to ceramics? We will really focus on how it was created, what materials do they use, the process and how it was manufactured in the manufacturing.
As I recall, Sir Virtuoso already said that glass is one of the categories in branch in ceramics. Now we will just focus on laminated and tempered glass. A little bit of history to know the discovery of the two glasses. Laminated glass was discovered by an accident by Edward Benedictus, a French artist. He accidentally slipped a beaker and found out that the beaker contains a polyvinyl butyral. But tempered glass was first introduced and used during the time. During the early 20th century, horseless carriage started using glass to protect drivers from harsh winds. It was discovered by an Australian chemist named Rudolf Seiden.
Objectives: laminated glass serves as a UV protection and also a soundproofing glass to lessen noise from the other side. Tempered glass serves as a hardened glass that can be able to hold much pressure than a normal glass. Laminated and tempered glass is the same but we differ on the process of how they are made. The earliest ceramics products were pottery. Made out of clay, the history of glass dates back to 3500 BC in Mesopotamia. The term glass was first developed during the late Roman Empire. Ceramics come from the Greek word keramikos, which means pottery, and keramos, which means pottery's clay. Glass is often not considered as ceramics because of its amorphous or non-crystalline character. However, glass making involves several steps of ceramic process, and its mechanical properties are similar to ceramics materials. Differ in cracking orientation because they are used also in specific. Laminated glass is used for architectural and automotive projects, while tempered glass is used in a variety of demanding applications, including passenger vehicle windows, shower doors, architectural glass doors and tables, refrigerator trays, mobile phone screen protectors, bulletproof glass components, diving masks, and various types of plate. In the seventh slide, we will be tackled why and why are not they are used in specific things.
Glass is often not considered a ceramic because of its amorphous characteristics. However, glass making involves several steps of ceramic process, and its mechanical properties are similar to ceramic materials. To add more, glass is also a branch of ceramics, according to E.P. Gorskowski. To his project, Effect of Additives on the Crystallization Kinetic of Barium Strontium Titanate, Glass Ceramics.
First, we will focus on tempered glass, followed by laminated, and compare why they are used in specific. The invention relates to a tempered glass, comprising in terms of mass percent. Silicon oxide has 60 to 80%. Aluminum oxide has 3 to 18%. Boron oxide has 0 to 7%. Lithium oxide has 0.01 to 10%. Sodium oxide has 4 to 16%. Potassium oxide has 0 to 15%. An arrow wherein arrow indicates a total content of alkaline earth metal oxides contains 0 to 5%, wherein a value of lithium oxide plus aluminum oxide divided by sodium oxide plus potassium oxide in terms of molar ratio is within ratio of 0.1 to 2, and wherein in a surface of tempered glass is treated to form a compressive stress layer according to Takashi Murata. Now we will discuss on laminated glass. In laminated glass, it is composed of modern laminated glass produced by bonding of two or more layers of ordinary annealed glass or tempered glass together with a plastic interlayer, usually polyvinyl butyryl, thermoplastic polyethylene TPU or ethylene vinyl acetate or EVA.
Glass is manufactured by sand heated in a big furnace or a kiln with a temperature of 1700 centigrade or 3090 degree Fahrenheit. After melting the sand, it will turn into a liquid, and when it cools down, it will turn in a frozen liquid or what we call glass. Tempered glass was made by heating an annealed glass for 580 centigrade to 620 centigrade, and it will undergo a rapid cooling process called quenching, and after that, a tempered glass was created. And lastly, the laminated glass was made by putting a polyvinyl butyryl in between of two annealed glass. After that, it will undergo a heating and pressing process to create a laminated glass.
To understand more, we will present a video from PRL Glass Incorporated and with him.
¿Quién lo está agarrando?
Laminated glass is produced when two or more lights of glass and one or more interlayers of safety bonding material are permanently bonded together under heat and pressure. An oven is used to permanently attach the glass to the bonding material. A second heating cycle finishes the process. The principal benefit of laminated glass is performance under impact. For example, when a rock hits the windshield of a car, a laminated glass windshield may fracture, but any broken fragments will remain firmly bonded to the interlayer. Laminated glass also provides added sound control. It also blocks over 99% of ultraviolet light. Again, its most important characteristic is the ability of the interlayer to support and hold the glass when broken. Bentheim's decorative high safety glass is produced by using liquid resin and PVB laminates under very controlled conditions. There are two levels of impact-resistant high safety glasses available. Level 1 high safety glass is usually made up of 5/8" glass-clad polycarbonate. It takes about 30 minutes for a perpetrator to gain entry. Level 1 glass effectively stops 22 caliber and 38 special bullets. Level 2 high safety glass is often made up of 3/4" glass-clad polycarbonate. It takes about 1 hour to penetrate, and in addition to the bullet types already mentioned, Level 2 glass also stops .357 Magnum bullets. Additional layers of glass can also be added to create a unique design. Because anneal glass is used, we can water jet cut to size if needed. A clear edge, tempered, or heat-strengthened glass is also available.
As we can see in the video, there are a lot of application being tested. Engineering applications such as the hardness of the glass, before it is being proved.
There are so many glass manufacturers worldwide. Here in the Philippines, you will only see one glass company located in Manila, the Luz Vimin. Only Luzon has a manufacturer of glass in the Philippines.
Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy our video with a lot of learnings. God bless us all. Keep safe. Bscere Ceramics.